Tsuro naKamba. This is a story about hare and tortoise. Have you ever seen a running race? Hare is an animal that can run really fast because they often have to run away from predators. But tortoise takes his time to walk because he can always hide in the shell he carries on his back. One day, Hare laughed at Tortoise's legs because they were short. Then Tortoise turned around and said, "Don't laugh at me because I can actually beat you at a race." Hare laughed really bad. The following day, they met at the well, and the two agreed to have a race all the way up to the mountain where their uncle baboon stayed. In the race, Tortoise went really slow but did not stop. On the other hand, Hare took off really fast, and as soon as he found some shade by where Mr. Elephant was, he decided to take a break. Hare took a long break and actually took a nap. By the time he woke up and started to run, he got up to the mountain and all the animals were laughing at him, saying Hare was beat at a running race by Tortoise. The end.